big one to focus on now, of course, we have Infosys and HCL, which will post earnings today. What can we expect from Infosys this time?
Well, Infosys has also done well in Q2. It's up 7.5%, though year-to-date, the stock is still down close to about 2%. Now, the highlight of the quarter could be the deal wins, like we saw in the case of TCS. So, Infy signed a deal with Liberty Global. Then there was also an MOU worth $1.5 billion. So, deal wins have been fairly robust. Kotak anticipates Infosys to announce a deal win of about $5.5 to $6 billion, much higher than the average of $2.5 billion. When it comes to the numbers, a bit of a revenue growth. So dollar revenue growth seen up 0.8%, constant currency revenue growth seen 1%, which is similar to Q1's level. Margins for the company are likely to inch up, but not by a whole lot. 20 basis points, 21% is the margin estimate for by CNBC-TV18, and the company, as of now, at least, has not announced any wage hikes. Profits will be up 4.5%. The FY24 guidance is likely to be maintained. It stands at 1 to 3.5% on the top line, though some believe maybe the company will be able to raise the lower end of the guidance. So 2 to 3.5%, because the current estimates are the company will deliver about a 2.5 to 3% kind of growth. So it's comfortable to raise the lower end of the guidance. EBIT margin guidance is likely to be maintained at 20 to 22%. The street will watch the profitability dynamics of the mega deals. Have they been bid very aggressively? Will they be margin dilutive? The commentary on the ramp up of mega deals. When will they start contributing? As we've seen in the case of TCS, companies are losing out because some of these shorter tenure deals are not taking place. Existing projects are coming to an end. So they need the ramp up of these newly won deals. And that will provide comfort on whether growth recovers in H2 and FY25. Wage hikes. Infy still not announced wage hikes for its employees this financial year. So when is the wage hike going to be effective? Are they going to be doing it at all? And finally, senior management attrition, because that continues. And there have been multiple senior leadership departures in the current quarter. So those are some key things to watch from Infosys this time around.
Okay, all right. Thanks for prepping us up for this, Reema. So we'll watch out for, of course, those earnings as we wrap up on this edition of